In this video, we will show how to install R and RStudio on a fresh computer. In this case, I will have a Windows 11 operating system. And well, I just use the opportunity that I need to install this anyway. So we go to the RStudio desktop link, and that you reach simply by typing RStudio into Google. So RStudio desktop, it will be because I have a Windows machine. And in this case, well, the entire process has two steps. First, you need to install R, and the other step is to then install RStudio, and we will do something in the RStudio as well. So the first step is install R. So you click on this one, it will take you to the R website, so just don't be worried about this. So then you choose your operating system. In this case, I have a Windows, and here you have a bunch of possibilities. And as it shows also here, the base R is the one that you want. So you download this, and well, it might take a minute depending on your internet speed. And when it's done, we come back. So it already downloaded. Then what you do is first you need to install R. You do that by starting this exe file. And if my memory does not fail me, once you click the R installation exe file, there is a pop-up window, and there is a very standard install procedure. In this case, what you can do is just click next, next, next all the time. Well, maybe I don't want a desktop shortcut, but all others are fine. And it is a relatively quick install, and this will install the R on your computer. Now, using R in itself, it's a bit tedious. Well, within its original form, so we will install RStudio as well. So that is done, and we click finish. So RStudio is a graphical user interface for R, and it has many more advantages. Of course, there are also other possibilities you can use for R, and there are also other user interfaces. But well, I just happen to like the RStudio. And within this small interlude, I think it even downloaded. And we again have an exe file, and we start this. Again, we give permissions, and we just say next. Honestly, it can go to the default directory anyway. And once it's installed, we come back again. Okay, so this is done. We click finish, and we can start RStudio. The easiest way to do so is to go to search and type RStudio. You might have some options here in case you have more versions of R installed. In this case, we have the one that we installed before, so we click OK. And we are in. So let's send automatic crash reports, if any. So yes, and we are done. Congratulations on successfully installing R and RStudio. Okay, folks, so this is a video after a longer time, and well, it shows that how I fell out of practice, and I actually forgot to sign off. But well, I definitely wanted to just amend this shortcoming, and to make sure that to tell you that I appreciate your continuous viewership and your continuous support. And well, same as always, I really appreciate your time you spent on this video, and I wish you a really nice day.